Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well and you're taking care of yourself as always. Today's video is a really exciting video for me because as you saw in the title, it's gonna be a room tour, and I'm really excited because I've been waiting for that for a long time. Like 3 months ago I posted a video. I showed you guys how my room was before, what I didn't like about it, and what I wanted to change. So today I think I achieved 75-80% of that. I'm quite happy with how it is right now. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below to my channel, comment down below what you liked about my room and what else can I add. So guys, let's start by a quick overview of the room. This is what you can see when you're at the door. Like I said guys, it's a small room. Here you can see the leaf wall that I did. I have a DIY video on my channel. So this is the bed. The bed is from Wayfair. It's a twin size bed. I really wanted something simple, not too crazy. It wasn't that expensive. This comforter is from Macy's. Guys, it's so soft and it's so comfortable, and this comforter is so warm guys, and let me show you. You see the double layer of it, and this is gonna keep you so warm. For me, I live in Massachusetts, so you know how cold it gets. There's 2 pillows here, 4 normal pillows here, and those 2 pillows, guess what? I got them at a thrift store, and each of them was $3. So I got those 2 burnt orange pillow for $6. This is a scarf. Believe me or not, this is a scarf. It's really big. So I got it at Macy's. It was last year. After I do my bed and arrange the pillows, I just throw it on my bed, and it kind of ties everything together. So on this wall you can see some fall leaves. I think it's really cute. I don't know what you're gonna think about it, but I do think it's really cute. The leaves are from Dollar Tree, the dollar store, and I bought a pack for $1. In the pack you had like 50 leaves, and I decided to put them on the wall like that. I thought it was gonna be cute and kind of like ties the colors in the room together. So when you come here, you can see my lamp. I really like it. It's really simple. I got it from Target. It was $10. Here you have my drawer chest. This was all wood. I had to paint it over, so I painted it white. And the knobs, I spray painted them gold. I wanted kind of a minimalistic look. That's what I came up with. Here you have a candle. It smells really good. I got it at TJ Maxx. Here I have a box of a perfume that my dad got me from Dolce & Gabbana. And here I had a porcelain pumpkin that I bought and I dropped. That's why it looks like so. And in it I have the rest of the leaves that I use for the wall. I put it here. In this vase there are some flowers. They are fake obviously. I got those flowers at Makeover, and this was a simple vase, and I just bought some orange twine at Makeover, and then I wrapped it around the vase, and this is what it looks like. And here you have this frame kind of thing. This saying is in French, and I have a picture of myself when I was a little girl. Here you have this sticker. It says girl boss, so you know, kind of a motivation. When I wake up in the morning, I can just look up and have those 2 paintings that you can see here. This one over here and this one over here. I did them myself. I didn't buy them. They look so imperfect, you know, and that's what I like about them. It's really simple, and it's like imperfectly perfect for me. That's what I wanted, and that's what I did. So here you have my desk. There's this ugly chair. I don't know what to do with it, so I just put this blanket on it because I don't want to see it anymore. This blanket is from Macy's, and it's really cozy, comfy, and it wasn't that expensive. I got it last Christmas. I'm also looking for a white office chair, but the one that I found online, they are really expensive, and the one that are cheap, the reviews are not good, so I don't know what to do yet. I'm gonna show you what's on my desk right now. I have this thing that I found at Target. Here you have this vase pencil holder, and I put all my pen, what I use for school, for YouTube and stuff. And yeah, I got this at TJ Maxx. And there's this mini stapler that I like so much. It's so cute. My mom got this for me. I just put the books that I use more often for school. And here I have my planner. This is a phone holder, so in the morning when I'm doing my makeup, or even though during the day, I can, while I'm doing something else, I can just watch some YouTube videos. This is my laptop. There's this mirror here, this vanity mirror. I like this so much. I got it from Amazon. I'm gonna link it down below. First, here you have this normal mirror here. Here you have 5x mirror here, and here you have 10x. And here this is a normal mirror too, so just in case you wanna look at it yourself. Ooh. And here it came with it too. That's what I use when I wanna do my brows. So I can see well, and you can close it too. I got foundation all over it. So it also has an adapter. You can connect it to any source of power. Let me show you. So when you wake up in the morning and it's really dark, you can just press it, and you have your light, and so you can see yourself better and do your makeup. Here you can see my glasses. Those are blue light glasses. I got them from a French website. It's called Le Petit Lunetier. I use my laptop a lot for school, and I spend a lot of time on my phone. So those glasses are really good. They help protect your eyes, so the blue lights don't affect your eyes. So here you have my kind of little makeup station. Here are my brushes. The brush holders, they are from Dollar Tree. They were originally silver, but I spray painted them gold. It's the same spray that I use for the knobs. My mom also got me that, and I use it to put the brushes on top, and at the bottom you have some of my palettes. And so those are the palettes that I use the most, so that I keep them on hand so I don't have to move. I can just sit down and take it from here. And I have my garbage can over here. I have my favorite perfumes here. I'm not gonna really show what's in the drawers. I don't want the video to be too long. So this is the bag for my camera. Here you have my chest drawer vanity. Oh, so over here on my left, I have 2 candles. Yeah, they are not 4 candles, but I love them. I know that's weird, but I'm not too into 4 scents. So those are summer scents, and I keep them here, and they also match like the color scheme of the room, so I keep them here. And this is the passion fruit martini. So I have 2 different sizes, and this is my lighter. You have this little organizer here, and I keep most of my lipstick here. Those are the ones that I use the most. And here on top I have this little organizer that I got from Amazon, and I have my lip pencil here and those little lipstick from ColourPop. So guys, on this drawer I have most of my makeup. Here also you have most of my skincare. I try to categorize them, but it's a mess. And here you have most of my hair care products, and I'm not gonna show those to you because they are really not organized. And on top I have this painting that I made. Here guys, I have a big mirror here. It's really tall, it's really big, and it was a wood color, and I had to paint it white. And here we go guys, the most exciting part of the video for you. And this is a giveaway that I put together to say thank you for supporting me. And there's a bunch of different stuff in this giveaway. Like you can see, I'm gonna put how you can participate on the screen and also in the description bar below. So you're just gonna screenshot this part right here and post it on Insta or Twitter and tag me in it. So I'm gonna leave my Insta and my Twitter down below, so you guys can tag me in your picture, in your post, and you guys are just gonna have to do that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm really thankful for your support and everything. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below to my channel and participate in the giveaway. Love you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.